Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Sakil. In this video, I am going to discuss about narration. First of all, we have to learn the meaning of narration. Narration word has been derived from the word narrate, जिसका मीनिंग होता है वर्णना करना. In narration, there are two types accordingly: direct narration and indirect narration. Direct narration. In direct narration, the speech is directly shared as the subject says or prescribes. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ही सेड ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. यहाँ पे जो नरेटर ने बोला है वो डायरेक्टली लिखा गया है. बट इन इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन द स्पीच is sensed and indirectly said by the others. The examples of direct narration cited above is being turned into indirect narration below. He said that he was his best friend. Changes, that is turning direct narration to indirect narration, are given below. अगर से सेज और सेड है तो नो चेंज इन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. अगर सेज से टू सेड टू तो टेल्स टेल टोल्ड में बदल जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही सेड ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. यहाँ पे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होगा. इसके पहले हम लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है कौन सा. तो ही सेड जो है वो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं. ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है. एंड यू कैन हैव ए क्विक आइडिया टू रिकॉग्नाइज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच और रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. जो कि कॉमा होता है, सॉरी, ओपन इन्वर्टेड कोमा एंड क्लोज इन्वर्टेड कोमा, उसके अंदर जो रहेंगे वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच होंगे और बाहर जो रहेगा वो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब होंगे. कोमा एंड इन्वर्टेड कोमास के अंदर जो होंगे वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच होंगे. And I have written in Assamese, that is why I can't say in Hindi. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है कॉमा एंड इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को चेंज करके उसके जगह डेट कंजंक्शन यूज़ किया जाता है. और हम लोग वहाँ पे मतलब कुछ चेंजेस करेंगे, जैसे कि पर्सन की चेंजेस होंगे. तो यहाँ पे एक फॉर्मूला दिया गया है सॉन 1 2 3 नीचे दिया गया है. तो 1 2 3 का मतलब होता है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. अगर सेंटेंस में ऐसा आ गया कि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में फर्स्ट पर्सन आ गया तो जो सब्जेक्ट होंगे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का उसके हिसाब से बदलेंगे. एंड अगर सेकंड पर्सन आ गया तो ऑब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से बदलेंगे. जैसे कि ही सेड टू हिम ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो यहाँ पे हिम इज़ ऑब्जेक्ट, तो उसके हिसाब से बदलेंगे. एंड जो थर्ड पर्सन है वो नो सेंस, एंड मतलब नो सेंस. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज सेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द subject of the reporting verb, and second person of the reported speech is sensed according to this object of the reporting verb, and third person no sense. Here you can see declarative sentence. टेंस के चेंजेस यहाँ पे दिया गया है कि अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर टेंस में हो तो टेंस में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होंगे. इफ़ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज़ इन द पास्ट टेंस we make the changes in the sentence of the direct speech as follows. Given simple present है तो simple past होंगे. do does प्लस verb 1 होंगे तो verb 2 होंगे. does do not प्लस भी 1 होंगे तो did not प्लस भी 1 होगा. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस होंगे तो पास्ट कंटिन्यूस होगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पास्ट परफेक्ट होगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस होगा. सिंपल पास्ट परफेक्ट होगा. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस होगा. past perfect tense and past perfect continuous, no since. We are sliding down. तो will होगा तो would होगा, shall should में चेंज होगा, can could में, may might में, must होगा had to and must में. If there is any universal truth, fact in the direct speech, reported speech, then there will be no sense in tense of reported speech, though having reporting verb in past tense. For example, he said honesty is the best policy. He said that honesty is the best policy. Adverbials of times and place related to changes. Given these, here, now, ago, today, yesterday, ये सब. तो these state में चेंज होगा, these those में चेंज होगा, here there में चेंज होगा, now then में चेंज होगा, ago before में चेंज होगा, today that day में चेंज होगा, yesterday the previous day में चेंज होगा, tomorrow the following day में चेंज होगा, the day before yesterday 2 days before में चेंज होगा, the day after tomorrow in 2 days टाइम में चेंज होगा, हैंस टेंस में चेंज होगा, येट टिल देन में चेंज होगा, हेयर देयर में चेंज होगा, दस सो इन डेट वे में चेंज होगा. ही सेड माइन इज रेड. ही सेड डेट हिज इज रेड. शी सेड ग्रीन इज माइन. शी सेड डेट ग्रीन वाज हर्स. तो पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन ही शी हर्स, आई माइन, we ours, you yours. He said to me, I shall do it tomorrow. He told me that he would do it the following day. The Greeks said the sun revolves around the earth. The Greeks said that the sun revolved around the earth. If the report is speech in universal truth, then there will be no changes, as the above cited sentence is in wrong information, so it will be changed accordingly. He said, after the meeting I have to go home. He said that after the meeting he had to go home. I had my dinner an hour ago. He had his dinner an hour ago. Have to had to में change होगा. He said, it is time we went home. He said that it was time they went home. He said, I wish I didn't have to take the exam. He said that he wished he didn't have to take the exam and wants to go alone. He said, but I was rather she went with her brother. He said that Anne wanted to go alone, but he would rather she went with her brothers. Ram said the children had better to go to bed early. It is time, would rather, would sooner, I wish, had better, etc. के बाद इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में टेंस की कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होंगे. He said Ram cut trees. He said that Ram had cut trees. He said we are friends. He said that they were friends. He said to me, if you study, you will pass. He told that if I studied, I could pass. He said to me, if you studied, you would pass. He told me that if I studied, I would pass. He said to me, if you had studied, you would have passed. He told me that if I had studied, I would have passed. Conditional sentence 2 and 3 में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता है. Must के changes. It is basically changed on the basis of situation. Must, had to, would have to, or sometimes must is used. He said the door must be kept locked. He said the door must be kept locked. When must is used for permanent command, we don't change it. He said we must have a party to celebrate this. He said that they must have a party to celebrate it. When must is used for intention, we don't change it. He said you must not touch the wire. He said that I must not touch the wire. When must is used for prohibition, we don't change it. She said, I am always running into him. He must live here. She said that she was always running into him, and she further said that he must live here. Added sentence, logical deduction must, no sense. Note, if the uses of must is used for permanent commands, intentions, prohibitions, etc., and deduction, then there will be no change in must. No change in must. Remember it. He said, if the floods get worse, we must leave the house. He said that if the floods get worse, they would have to leave the house. Note, when the must is used for future obligation, then we can use would have to instead of must. He said, I must was my hand. Wash my hand. He said that he had to wash his hands. Note, when the must is used for which activities are already fulfilled fairly and promptly, immediate action, then this changes time expression that those pronoun if it they them adjective the. He said, I bought this pen for you. He said that he had bought the pen for me. He said, this is for you. He said that was for me. He said, she will come this month. He said that she would go that month. When pronoun that those is used in a sentence and it doesn't qualify time expression, then the it can be used accordingly. Interrogative sentence, reporting verb के scenes. Say to ask, says to ask, said to asked. If the direct speech is started with helping verb or models, then we should use if whether in the place of comma and inverted comma. If the direct speech is started with WS word, then there will be no use of if whether in the direct speech. मतलब जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है उसमें कंजंक्शन जो पहले यूज़ किया था डेट, उसके जगह हम ईफ और वेदर यूज़ करेंगे एंड डब्ल्यू एस ऑर्ड है तो डब्ल्यू एस से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Subject and verb changes. Changes in tense, person and adverbials of time and places. Question mark will be changed into full stop. He said to me, what are you doing? He asked me what I was doing. I said to her, are you okay? I asked her if she was okay. She said to Ram, do you drink wine? She asked Ram if he drank wine. He said to me, can you swim? He asked me if I could swim. Question said, asked, inquired, wondered. He said, why are you upset? He asked why I was upset. यहाँ पे MCQ, oh no sorry, MCQ नहीं, यहाँ पे दिया गया है options. He inquired why I was upset. He wondered why I was upset. If we use inquire in reporting verb, then if there is any object, we have to use off after enquiry. She said to him, "My father was your brother." He told him that her father had been his brother. The man said to her, "My bicycle was stolen the day before yesterday." The man told her that his bike had been stolen 2 days before. She said to me, "We shall start for London the day after tomorrow." She told me that they would start for London in 2 days. He said, "I have not seen the Jew yet." He said that he had not seen the Jew till then. He said to Mirano, "I am here with this book of yours." He told Mina that then he was there with book of hers. Imperative sentence. He said, "If you see N, follow her." He said that if I saw N, I was to follow her. Subject plus be plus 2. Suggested object suggested to. He said to me, "If I were you, I would hire a taxi." He told me that if he were I, he would hire a taxi. बी वर्ब के बाद में ऑलवेज सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन यूज होंगे. He advised me to hire a taxi. He said to me, "Yes, you can go." He replied to me positively, or in the positive that I could go. He said to Ram, "No, you cannot go now." He replied to Ram in the negative that he could not go then. He said, "What about a tea?" He suggested a tea. He suggested having a tea. He said, "What about flying?" He suggested flying. He said, "Could I have a glass of water?" He asked for a glass of water. He said, "Would you mind waiting?" He asked me to wait. Prohibit from doing this. Requested to नहीं होंगे यहाँ पे, request होंगे. Exclamatory. He said, "What a name." He exclaimed with wonder that it was a very strange name. He said, "Thank you." He thanked me. He said, "Curse the fog." He cursed the fog. He said, "Good morning, sir." He respectfully wished me good morning. He said, "What a man." She exclaimed with surprise that he was a peculiar man. Thank you for watching the video, and I will discuss rest of the narrations rules in the next video. Thank you.